Good morning, student. Today again I will continue chapter Material in Daily Life, and the topic I will start plastic. Have you learned in this chapter types of materials, types of fibers, synthetic fiber or natural fiber. Like this, there are some other fibrous material like cotton, jute and wool are the natural fiber. Fibers cotton is mostly used for making clothes of various kinds. Jute is used mainly for making gunny bags, shopping bags, etc. And silk fiber is used for weaving sarees and other silk cloths. And wool is used for making woolen cloths such as sweater, blankets, carpets, etc. And the rearing of silk is called sericulture. Now I will start next topic, plastic. Any synthetic material which can be easily molded into any shape on heating is called plastic. Plastic can be remolded and we can mold into desired shape on heating. This is called plastic. Plastic is a polymer like synthetic fiber. In some plastic, there are linear monomers arrangement and some other are cross-linked like thermoplastic and thermosetting. Plastic can be reused, light, recycled, colored, melted and rolled into sheets and wires. This is the reason that it finds such a variety of use in our life. Now the properties of plastic. They are cheap, light and available in different colors. They are strong, durable. They do not react with air and water and are used to store varieties materials including chemicals. They can be molded to any shape when hot. They are cheaper than metals. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. So, electric wire have plastic coating and handles of screwdrivers are made of plastic. Now the type of plastics. There are two types of plastics. Thermoplastic, the plastic substance which can be melted, repeated by heating and can be molded again and again into different shapes is called thermoplastic, like polythene, PVC and polystyrene are the common example of thermoplastic. Now the thermosetting plastic, a plastic substance which does not soften much on heating and can be molded only once is called thermosetting plastic. It mold irreversible. It is not remolded like bakelite, melamine are the common thermosetting plastic. Thermoplastic which can be reshaped or remold as many times, it becomes soft and deform on heating like PVC and polythene. Thermosetting plastic which cannot be reshaped on heating. They do not become soft or melt on heating, example melamine and bakelite.